the new Camry! Yeah, I know everyone's been waiting to see the new Camry, and I wasn't that amazed with the new Camry, but after I drove it, I'm that amazed with the new Camry. Alright, let's look at the front. It looks like a Honda. Why? It's so angry. Why do every car maker? It's so conventional that nowadays the design language is just anger. It's like sharp lines, sharp, this, that. Yeah, and then you're gonna say like, yeah, but Bing, you all say the A-class lah, like no lines are like damn bold lah. I'm sorry lah. But yeah, okay, but this one really has too many lines. Look at the front grille, guys. Come on. It's too many lines lah, right? But I can't. Okay, I like this. This one, I'm gonna say, I give it a like. Continuity. Yes, I say that right. Continuity. See how it curves in all the way down here. I think that's very nice. By the way, all lights are LED lights, so that's daytime running lights, and then you have your fog lights, all LED. Okay, you move to the side, huh? Front done, huh? Okay. 18-inch wheels. Now, how do I think the whole profile of the car looks like? It actually looks pretty smart. Looks more premium than the previous gen. Yes. The mirrors are retractable when you lock the car. I'm gonna show you later. It is keyless entry, but it's not for passengers. It's not. It's only keyless through the driver's side. I don't know why, but the doors are actually rather heavy, so it goes to show why the soundproofing is that great. Let's go to the back. Okay, the back, right? I think it looks so pretty. It looks so nice. Dual exhaust pipes, but the white one is definitely pretty. I saw the white one, I was like, wow. The red one not that great lah. Okay, white one really stands out. I like cars where the lights actually curve onto the side. I think that's very nice. Very nice touch. Let's look at the boot space. Mana button? No button ah? Huh? Oh god. Okay, so the button's at the side here. I don't have to show you lah, huh? I'm wearing a dress. Confirm can fit. Okay, confirm can fit. Mrs. Camry. Yes. Okay. Spare tire underneath there, pretty sure. Don't believe me? I shall show you. Ta-da! Spare tire. Not powered, so I have to close it. But this one I think it's alright if it's not powered, because it's just so short. It's not so high. I guess powered tailgates are because it's very high and then you cannot reach. Then you're like, yep. Let me show you when I lock the car, when I open the car. Hang on, ah. So I'm gonna lock the car now. Ta-da! Retractable mirrors. I love this function! And yeah, your indicators are at the side here as well. Love the function. And yeah, the entire profile of the car, I think it looks very nice lah. Really, I think it's definitely a bigger step up than the previous car. The previous gen, I mean. But to price it at 190k, I don't know, man. The build of this car, 190k. Tell me what you think. Go watch all my videos, like all my videos on the camera. Tell me what you think. Is it worth 190k? No? Yes? No. Okay guys, guess what I found out? So I'm gonna lock the car now. Okay. It's locked. Ooh. I just noticed how this matches up. So it's chrome at the bottom. Wow! I think it actually fits very well. Look, the whole chrome thing going on here, very nice. Nice. With the Rush, they put so much chrome everywhere, but this one they actually limited the amount of chrome they put, and I think they did it very well. Very nice design. Anyway, let's open. See what happens. The seat moves in front for you. Wow. It goes back to your original sitting position. Very nice. Cause just now I went and then I play. So yeah, and the door opening is quite big as well. Yeah, that's what I mean. Very nice. Wow. Guys, I'm just high on life. I don't know. In the new Camry, let me take you around. I'm quite excited because I actually like this car quite a lot. Yes, that is what I'm telling you right now, even before I've given you the review. So let's go. Actually, is it JBL or UBL? I think it's JBL. Okay, so if I ever said anything about UBL, cancel it, it's JBL. Alright, so let's take a walk through. You always say I have accent, right? So now I speak like Malaysian law. Nice or not? I can't. Like when the camera is on, this is how I speak, but when I talk to you, I'll be like, walao, so hi. Yeah. Alright, so steering wheel. This actually feels very comfortable. I don't like that there's this slab right here. I like to put my hand inside, but it's not a big deal. The feel of this, I don't really like the feel of this. Can you see? It's like, yeah, it's a bit plasticish. Don't really like the feel of this, but the feel of this is very good. Okay, so for the meter cluster, it's very normal to me. 2 analogs, I always love analogs. Very clean. There's a heads-up display right there, and yeah, I actually have no qualms over it. At least it's not cluttered. Very easy to read everything. I actually don't know how to work it, so let's try. Okay, there we go. So I can use this. Oh, so check it out. Lane assist. Okay to change. Wow. So you can have, there's so many things that you can change. Sway sensitivity. I see. Alright. What about this one? You press long hold. What's PCS? Pre-collision system off. I see. So let's turn it back on because I think it's a very good thing to have. Sensitivity. Let's go back. Blind spot monitor on. Rear cross traffic alert on, and parking assist. Okay, and what's this? Rear sunshade open close. Oh, so you can what? Wow, you can do it. What? Okay, cool. I still find it weird that they put it here. Like, why don't you put it here? No, put it here. Why? Let's see what else they have, Okay, tire pressure, Bluetooth audio, driving assist, ooh, fuel economy. Alright, so that's about it. Quite interesting, I like how they put everything in the middle, so it's easy. It's very easy to use, very user friendly. And everything else you can see, so it's speedometer, tachometer. Yeah, very nice. It's auto wipers, so if it feels there's like droplets, it'll like do its thing. Yeah, that's right. Design of this, I think they try to incorporate everything. For example, they have buttons, it's a touchscreen, but the touchscreen is not even that responsive. You see what I mean right here? Yeah, can't incorporate a lot of things, but it's not as bad as the Lexus one. The Lexus one is just so bad. Love that they have dials here, but I think I want to say it's not that well thought out because you have the power and volume button here, then suddenly there's like another rotary knob here, and then like, you know, there are like so many things going on here. I think it could have been designed better, but kudos for the effort. And Toyota always like to do this one. You see this? It's like, wow, so much things going on, but actually just, yeah. And I'm guessing they're going for this 3D design kind of thing going on here, but as Con mentioned, because it's the same color, it doesn't really stand out that much. However, I appreciate that this is same color to this. Props there. I think that's a little bit of ambient lighting right there. The design, I wouldn't say it's like wow, but it's not like ew. Maybe a bit ew, but it's not bad. Okay. Right. So this is wireless charging. I have wireless charging here. You're on and off, and when you open it, you have a compartment here as well. And to close it, this is, I think, very premium. You push, you see that one, quite premium. I like the feel of this. It feels very nice. I love when they have a leather wrap around the gear knob. I don't know lah, I just like that. Okay. Electric parking brake, auto start stop. There's a USB port here, 12-volt socket here, and nothing here. The build is plasticish. The design here, I think it's very simple. They somehow just like chrome one lah here, okay? I don't know why they like chrome. There's a compartment here, very good compartments here. 2 memory seats to be set. I don't the buttons, I think it's okay. It's not a very premium feel, but it feels quite alright lah, what I actually do appreciate is they actually make this 3D arch thing here, so when you close, it's actually supposed to cover this. I think that's pretty cool. I think that is unique. I'll give it to Toyota for that. Center console, there are 2 cup holders here, and I love this. I think this is very nice. I really love this. Open it, and it's huge, guys. Like, you can put so many things inside. Passenger seat, they have this button. I think this is so good. I think it's so useful. I love this. I love that you can kenakan your passenger, you know. Well, I love the seats quite a lot. I didn't like the headrest at first, but I think I gotten used to it because I pulled it up and then I could rest my head on properly. Because if I let it, let's say if I'm just gonna put it all the way down, then it's like my head has to be like that. I don't like it, so I pull it up. Yeah, comfortable. Let me look at the visor. The visor, this is like cloth kind of material. Feels a bit cheap, to be honest. Like, if I just tarik a bit more, then this one will kaput already. Alright, the light, hello! The light automatically comes on. Let's see. What was that supposed to do? I don't get it. Huh? Okay, those are lights. Lights. What does this do? Oh, maybe it turns off the light. So, for example, yeah, no light. But yeah, got it. Alright, yeah, I think that's it for the front. Let's go to the back. I think y'all can see, should be okay lah. Alright, so I'm at the back, and honestly, it feels so comfortable leh. Like this one, the chair in front of me is actually pushed back quite a lot, so I have quite a lot of space already. You can't see, I have a lot of headroom and I'll have a lot of legroom. I kind of like that the front here is flushed inside. It gives it a very premium look actually. This, however, I don't get why there's a middle armrest, but you don't actually give me anything to pull, so I have to reach my fingers inside and drag the thing out. Yeah. Isofix mounts both sides. Oh yeah, I got cup holders, you saw that. Isofix mounts here and here. You can't access the boot from here. You can only see what I mean? You can only access it from here. Yep, can access it from here. Small getaway right there. It feels very comfortable, and it has 2 USB ports here. 2.1 amp. The side here is there are small compartments, not too much, very simple. Pull it up. Manual sunshade. That's how it's supposed to be. Toyota, you made it very good quality, so people like me don't break it. Thank you. Aircon vents in the middle. I think I'm done. Can you see there's a difference? There are 2. Okay, it's very noisy and I'm getting very distracted, but there are 2 angles to it and you can choose. I think it's pretty good. Wow, Camry! Oh yeah guys, by the way, at night there's this light that shines and lights up and shows you the way, so that, you know, it lights up where you're supposed to go, which is this beautiful Camry right here. Very nice initiative. Good job!